G'day folks, welcome to Steadfast Detailing. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to debadge this Build Your Dreams badge. Now this is going to be applicable to pretty much any car, not just BYD. And we're going to get rid of this. We're also going to get rid of the other badges on the car. And by the end of it, it is going to look super schmick. Going to give it a nice clean look. So let's show you what you'll need to do this. Now it's going to be really straightforward. So hang in there. All right, I'll run you through everything you need. So first thing you need, hairdryer. After that, you need some nylon line or some fishing line. And then after that, you will need this steamer. Now the steamer is to help us to get the adhesive off. So we're gonna use a steamer in combination with citrus-based orange remover. No, citrus-based adhesive remover, that's what it's called. And we're going to use that. We're also going to use microfiber towel. After we do that, we're going to use our alcohol spray, wipe down the surface, get it nice and clean, and then we come in with the polisher at the very end. So we're going to use a polisher just for some light cutting compound. Now you don't need anything too abrasive, and after that it will look very schmick. So as you can see here, we have lots and lots of badges that we have to get rid of. The first thing we're going to do is we will actually need to wipe this down and to clean it, because it's really gritty, it's really dirty right now. So we want to make sure it's nice and clean so we've got good surface to work with. So what we've got here is just some waterless wash. So you're just letting the waterless wash do the work. You can see how dirty it is. Now this doesn't scratch the car. This is a very, very safe way of washing. Try and get all the little dirts inside the nooks and crannies of this as well. All right, now we've got a nice clean surface to work with. So we want to make sure we've got a good amount of fishing line. I reckon this is enough. So just using scissors. So the process is we are pretty much going to be repeating this. So heat it up, use a fishing line. Part of it's going to cool down, heat it up again, use fishing line, heat up, fishing line, heat, fishing line. That's pretty much it. Let's do it. So we heat it up because we want it to be nice and soft. That way we can cut through the adhesive. So you can see it's cutting through quite nicely, quite easily. Bam, there you go. Alright, as you can see now, it's all pretty much gone. So we just have tiny, tiny specks of adhesive, which we're going to remove using our citrus-based adhesive remover. So that's just going to dissolve any final bits left. There we go, nice, easy, and safe. What we're going to do now, alcohol spray. Just want to make sure that this surface is nice and clean before we go in and start polishing. The adhesive remover has, like, I guess, some oils in it. So that's what we're trying to remove. We're removing traces of the citrus oils. And now the final step, we come through with our polisher with a bit of compound there. Just to remove any fine swirls and scratches that we may have induced. There you go. Looks absolutely perfect. So we've debadged everything. We've done the top here and we've done the bottom. So as you can see, it's all nice and clean now. Pretty happy with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial, and make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share, you know, all that jazz. Help us get more content out by making this channel even better. Awesome. Thanks very much, guys. Cheers.